Let's share a cup of tea today and have a discussion about Victoria Beckham Beauty. I purchased several items from her collection over the summer and I am very impressed. So I thought I would share my favorite products from the line with you. First up is the Cell Rejuvenating Priming Moisturizer. It's a brightening, hydrating, and blurring product that really helps the makeup blend into the skin seamlessly. As you can see, I'm blending my concealer and foundation in, and it just melts into the skin beautifully. The Lid Luster was another product that I was curious to try and create some looks with. So I started the look today with the Tea Rose eye color, and I just used my fingers to apply it, and it makes for a great one and done day or night look. It has a little bit of glitter to it, but I think it's still really nice for day. And then I also purchased the color Chiffon, and this is nice for both day and night. I like to apply it to the movable lid. I just use my finger. There is a little bit of glitter and a little bit of a satiny kind of look to it, so it looks really pretty in the inner corner of the eye. It makes for that little bit of contrast between your lid shade and the Tea Rose that I already had on. But one of the colors that I really love, and I took like a huge flyer on this because I normally don't go for very dramatic eye looks, but I purchased the color Mink, and it's a glittery dark shade, and I love it for evening, and I love it for just creating like a little bit of interest to the outside edge. And I'm just gonna apply it gently, and then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. And at first you look at it and you kind of go, oh my gosh, but hear me out on this. Let me just give it a little blend so that you can see how pretty and how easy it is to just elevate your eye look. Really easy and just really pretty. So that gives you sort of the day to evening kind of look, and I think it's really beautiful. I tried the Kajal liners, and I've been using a different liner. These are very smooth, but they do require a pencil sharpener. I tried the blush in Cheeky Posh, and it is a beautiful flush of color that melts into your skin and gives a really beautiful natural glow. I just love the way that it just sort of melts in and looks so natural. The gloss is really lovely too. It's highly moisturizing and it has a great color payout. This contour stick is a really great purchase because I use it not only for contouring, like if you wanted to kind of this is where I like to use it, like along this looseness on my jaw, but I also use it as an eyeshadow. So you can kind of get double duty from it. She does have some eyeshadow sticks that are like this, but if you bought this, you would be able to use it for both things. So you can get a little contour. Yeah, so there you go. And now I look 10 years younger, and I'm really enjoying the makeup that I got from this line.